Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Oh, let me grab these. I forgot them. Forgot the scissors. Welcome back to JJ's PC Builds. You know, it's JJ with you once again. First time here, hit the subscribe button. Keep me busy. Hit the like button. Well, Mr. Machine's sleeping right now, but keep YouTube busy. And don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post next video or live stream. Guys, I got a package here from Mr. Machine. I was hell-bent against this, and he knows it. But he sent me something in the mail from Amazonian. I can't show you the other side because it's got the address and all that, you know. All the expensive stuff. And, just for say, I got another package. I got a 2-in-1 day that's going to be happening here. So, I'm going to go ahead and open up what Mr. Machine sent me. Hopefully I don't cut through whatever's in there. Right? So, we'll put that off to the side. And ooh. Guys, I'm explaining to you what transpired with this little thing. First, it seems that Mr. Machine wanted to help out the channel even more, and he wanted to get a 4K camera. So he went and got one of these OSBOT right here. Tiny, my hands shake too much. OSBOT Tiny 3. So he's sleeping right now, but I'm doing this as an unboxing video. So this is an unboxing video, guys. But that's not the only one I want to unbox. I want to see what's in this one. I forgot what I got here. And this is coming from Temu, of course. Oh, well, looks like we got a USB Type A. Let's see what else we got. We'll throw that over there. We got, hopefully it's something, well, we got a book. But this is what I got. And I hope it is. Input, output, USB. Nice. Capture card, guys. I seen this for $6 on Temu. It's got a headphone plug-in and a mic plug-in. Really good. Comes with the USB Type A cord. I would imagine this might be, this thickness of it is like a high-speed cable almost, it looks like. So that's good. It's got the HDMI input. It's got the HDMI input and output. So basically, you plug whatever device in here, and the output goes to whatever device you're putting in for the output. Input, output. The input could be from a PC, a camera, and the output could be my monitor right here, this monitor that sits black. Airbrushed aluminum. Says 4K on it, and it says it will work with what I'm trying to do. So we'll try it out. We'll try it out. We'll put this over onto the side. So there's not much of an unboxing here with this. This is just your typical connection. So, but I'm going to want to connect this to my main PC, and I'm going to want to connect this to that monitor and have it flow from here through this to my monitor and to my main PC. We are going to give that a check. Not on this video, but we're going to give it a check. Now, we're getting to the juice of it. We are getting to the juice of it. This is what I wanted to see. Guys, this is much more than just Machine sending this to the channel. This is me testing this out as well. Okay. If you guys can see, I got it right here. Got a book. You got something there. Oh, it gives you URL codes and stuff like that. You got a book, warranty policy, and a user manual. Nice. Nice. OSBOT did a really good job. Now, understand this. OSBOT did not sponsor this. This is not sponsored by OSBOT. This is sponsored by Mr. Machine. As he bought the camera, he wanted me to test it because sooner or later, he wants to know if this is going to work out for me because he might want to get one too. So, there's no scripting, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep me busy. And don't forget to hit the like button. This is an unboxing right here. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay. I wasn't going to live stream this just yet. There's another little box in here. Get another little box. Got another little box. What's in the door behind door number 1? What's behind door number 1? It's kind of hefty. It's kind of hefty. Can't help but rip the bag. Okay, it looks like it's a USB Type A dongle to USB Type C. Nice. And it looks like it's a USB Type C to USB Type C connector for the camera. Nice. Let's unbox the camera. I'll show you guys in a minute. Oh, it's got little plastic pads in the box. And look at this. They made sure it did not move in this box. This is a really nice box. I am going to keep this box. I am going to keep this box because this box looks like a really cool box. Okay. Got the book. We got this. We'll get this out of the way. Put that over there so you guys can see it. Be very careful with the top of this because this is rotational. This is rotational, guys. Look how small this is. This is tiny. It's got a microphone right here. Nice. It's got the plug-in in the back. Nice. Let's see what else it's got. Whoa. That's really strong. Got to be very careful. This to where you can hook onto the monitor. Nice. Also, too, it'll screw into a base, like a tripod base. I thought this camera, well, no, this one doesn't come with the tripod. Nice. This camera reminds me of what that movie was, Short Circuit. Y'all remember that movie, Short Circuit? That's what that reminds me of. One of those little short circuit bots. Needs little arms and wheels on it, but I thought that would be funny for you guys. And don't forget your drink and snacks, by the way, guys. Alrighty. So, what's special about the camera? It comes with, you can put software on Windows to control the camera. The movements and manually control it, or you can do it by gestures and stuff like that. But I will be running the camera in the next video. The next video I do, I am going to be running this camera. This is just an unboxing. That's all it is. Now, when it comes to the software and everything else, we'll get into that in the next video. So make sure you guys stick around for that. But this is the OSBOT, the Tiny 3. The Tiny 3 Lite AI Pro. we are going to be trying this bad boy. We are going to be trying this. Now, for the price of it, the price shouldn't be that expensive. You can get these between, I think this was like $175. And with tax out the door, you know, it'll bring you close to $200 just for this little camera here. So this is a very expensive camera. Do not drop it. You drop it, you'll screw everything up in it. But, like I said, we will show you guys in the next video. So, but I am going to be making the next video right after this one. So, you might want to stick around. I might do a double video today. But anyway, first time here, hit the subscribe button. Keep me busy. Hit the like button. Keep YouTube busy. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post the next video or live stream. But until the next time, guys, in the next video, you know what it is? We'll see you on the next one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.